You won't want to eat candy any other way. A 2-ingredient dessert and you're set. In less than a minute, in your preferred lid or container, I'm going to add soft candy. The taste is up to you. Let's go heat this candy in the microwave every 10 seconds till it softens. With soft candy, we'll put another lid on it and press. Let's take off the top lid, remove the candy and get started. Shape it. Guys, shape the candy like a canoe. With shape candy. Now let's add ice cream. I'm using vanilla, but flavor's your choice. Then just adjust the top part. The candy will get super crunchy with ice cream freeze. And now folks, just enjoy. The super crunchy candy with ice cream is delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Hope you liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug. See you next and thanks.